on the bell icon, stay updated on our daily videos.
Let me tell you the truth. Whatever civil industry you are in, if you do not know how to use AutoCAD, then it's going to be pretty tough for you. People who don't have grip in AutoCAD may be lost job opportunities, even if they are equally qualified on technical aspects. If you wanna become from zero to hero in AutoCAD, just go through all videos in AutoCAD series. This lecture is about Introduction to AutoCAD, which involves what's AutoCAD, then history of AutoCAD, why AutoCAD is best for all engineering department, why we need to study that software. For all those queries, this video will give you the best answers. So you guys don't skip this video. For better understanding, watch till the end. Here we go. What's AutoCAD? AutoCAD stands for Computer Aided Design, and it is a commercial software application used to draft 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional models with the aid of a computer. What's CAD advantage over manual drafting? The first thing is accurate. If you draw your plan by using AutoCAD, it will come more accurate dimension while compared with manual drafting. And second one is time saving. If you manually draw your plan, it takes a lots of time to complete. Instead of using this software, you may finish quickly. And third one is easily modified. If you need to draw similar furniture or even doors, you just copy and paste it. And also if you need to remove such furniture, simply gonna give erase command. So by using this software can be easily modified. The fourth one is depending on skill can be neater and quicker. And then fifth is can be stored in safe place. You are able to save the file in local disk, mobile devices, pen drives, etc. as a soft copy. Whereas in manual drafting, it can be done over an A1 or A2 size paper. It makes tough to store in safe place because it may get damaged in few days. The last one is share your document easily and quickly. Here the documents implies their soft copies, which done by using AutoCAD as in the format of DWG file, and it can be stored easily at the same time quickly with the help of pen drives, Gmails and other social medias, etc. Who can benefit with AutoCAD? First, civil engineers. Civil engineers use AutoCAD for RCC detailing, detailed drawing of building, bridges, roads, tunnels and other structures common in the built environment. AutoCAD is also mostly used by civil engineers to create detailed drawing of the structures. And then architects. How they are benefits? Architects use AutoCAD to design residential homes, office buildings, commercial developments and landscapes. So AutoCAD is used in architecture in the field to create plan, elevation, section of 2D and as well as 3D models. Then interior designers use AutoCAD to create detailed images of interior spaces that includes furniture and other indoor environments. Along with architectures, interior designers also used AutoCAD to create interior part of the building like indoor environments, furniture, etc. And mechanical engineers use AutoCAD to plan entire manufacturing processes or to create prototypes of the finished product. Likewise, electrical engineers, surveyors and plumbers are get more useful by AutoCAD. Such a wonderful software was founded by John Walker in 1982, and the Autodesk headquartered in San Rafael, California, USA. Most probably, this software supports 14 more languages other than English. Here some Indian standard codes are given which related to plant specifications. Just check the code books. I think it is more helpful for you. I hope this is understood up to here. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.